In modern automation, optical sensors are crucial for precise detection. Reflective sensors must be chosen considering factors like object color and material, as black, glossy, or transparent objects pose detection challenges. Omron's B5W optical sensors address these challenges, ensuring stable detection. They come equipped with unique detection principles that allow them to be incorporated into various commercial equipment. Omron's B5W optical sensors offer two different families. There is the B5W-LB light convergent reflective sensor and the B5W-DB diffuse reflective sensor. The light convergent type allows for stable detection of objects with various color and material, while the light diffuse type are ideal for detecting objects of longer ranges. Proper installation ensures long-term reliability and optimal performance. For more insights, visit our website today.